Hi everybody, this is Yuki and welcome to Draw Cute Pets. Today we'll be learning how to draw a simple kitty playing outside in the snow. So let's get started. So if you imagine when you're playing outside in the winter, you want to have a hat and maybe a scarf on. Sure, we want to have our winter coats and everything, but we'll just keep it simple for our kitty today. So to start, I'm using the sketchbook app on the iPad, but basically all you need is some sort of writing utensil that will make a nice clear, clean line for the outline. And to fill in any sort of color or add some more flair to your drawing at the end, you can have crayons or colored pencils ready at your side. So to start, we will begin with the kitty's left ear. And since he's wearing a hat, it's going to be a little bit slanted to the side. So we'll have the pointed ear here. And to now give him his winter hat, we will make a rectangle off to the side. It doesn't have to be perfectly closed, because you can imagine, I'm going to make this a little bit more round, but you can imagine your winter clothing or hats in general aren't very square and stiff looking. So we'll give him this rectangle and add a few lines just to show the shape of the hat. So I put 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Now the top of the hat will be slightly rounded off to the right and then a more straight line on the right side. And I'm going to slide this down so that we can see the rest of it, the rest of this kitty. We'll add a pom-pom to the top. Kind of like a popcorn kernel. I personally really just like 3 little puffs. So his right ear is covered with the hat, so we don't have to worry about that this time. And we'll go on to his face. So I'm going to start under his left ear, make a curve to the right, straight down across the bottom, and back up to his ear under the hat. Since he's playing outside in the snow, I think we'll give him a little happy face with his eyes curved like that. And again, a small nose. This isn't just a dot, but it's kind of a triangle. And we'll just leave him smiling like so. His whiskers will be 2 lines just above these curves on the side of his face. So we'll put 1 here and 1 just underneath, 1 on the other side, and 1 just underneath here. Going on to his body, I'm going to put an arm to the left and right. Since he's just standing kind of posing for a picture, we're not going to worry about making any crazy arms, but they can be going up or kind of on his hip, giving him some attitude, however you like. For his scarf though, we're going to start on the right side and make the piece of the scarf that's flowing down. So kind of like a rectangle that becomes a little bit wider towards the bottom. We'll make this shape and add just a few frills. And the part that's wrapped around his neck is going to be, again, another gently curved part of a rectangle going to the right side. For the rest of this kitty's body, we're just going to give him little feet on the left and the right and tie his body together here. Since he's turned to his right, so our left a little bit, I'm gonna put his tail on the right side and give him some stripes. And there we go. Since we talked about color, I think I would want to give this little guy some festive color for his winter gear. I think for his scarf, maybe a nice red. Like a darker red. And instead of using this very strong, dark, or bold color, I'm going to switch to the watercolor brush. So the difference between these two is this technical pen or maybe a marker would make a very bold, strong line, but a watercolor brush or color pencil or crayon will make a more gentle, will put a more gentle color down. And we want to keep him looking nice and cute. So make sure that you don't go outside the lines, but just give him a little bit of color. And I like to leave a little bit of white space on the edge to keep it looking like a handmade drawing. And down the middle of his scarf. All the way down. Again, leaving a little bit of white. But however you like is just fine. For his hat, I think I want to pick like a dark green. So we'll go to the green side of this scale. Is that too dark? That's okay. A little holiday-like. Just fill in his hat very lightly. And you can make one part of the clothing a little bit darker than the rest to show some 3D effect. But really, just that little touch of color can make a whole lot of difference. There we go. That pom-pom, a little curious if adding just like a light gray would be nice. Yeah, just a touch. So of course the colors can be whatever you like, but here you are, a kitty cat playing outside in the snow. We can even have some fun and add a little background. Maybe he's ice skating. Maybe he's about to build a snowman. Enjoy his holiday. So I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other new Draw Cute Pets videos. See you later.